Good morning, 4th grade. We are ready for math lesson 150 today. Today's lesson is a review lesson, so we're going to start with going through our concept cards again. We're going to go over some of our shapes from yesterday. First of all, before we get into that, we're going to go over just a couple things. So we talked about shapes like the triangle, the square, rectangle, a trapezoid. Now, something about all of these shapes, a parallelogram, a rhombus, a circle, these are all plane shapes because they are flat, okay? If we have something like a jar or something like that, it is not flat. So that is not a plane shape. But when we're talking about these, we call these plane shapes simply because they are flat. So let's just go over some of these. Also, I mentioned the simple closed curve, and we talked about a polygon. Remember, a polygon is a polygon because it is made of line segments that are connected. They do not intersect, and it's a closed figure. But this would not be a polygon because this is not just a straight line segment. This is not a polygon, but if it's just made of line segments like this, that is a polygon. And something like a triangle could also be a polygon, is also a polygon. So let's just go over some of these from yesterday. Let's just start with these. So first of all, here we have a polygon. Then we have our simple closed curve. This is a plane shape. This is a triangle. We have a circle, a rhombus, a parallelogram, a trapezoid has only one set of parallel sides, the other set is not parallel, a rectangle, a square. Then we have our, let's go over these. We have 1 tablespoon. How many teaspoons did we learn are in 1 tablespoon? 3. There are 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon. Now, can you tell me what this is the temperature for? 37 degrees is the temperature for what? Go ahead and say it out loud if you know it. It is the normal body temperature Celsius. What about 0 degrees? That is the freezing point of water Celsius. What about 100 degrees? That is the boiling point of water, Celsius. 98.6 degrees. Normal body temperature, Fahrenheit. 212 degrees is the boiling point of water, Fahrenheit. And 32 degrees is the freezing point of water, Fahrenheit. Let's go over our other geometric terms. Here we have perpendicular lines because they cross over each other and form 4 right angles. These are intersecting lines because they cross over each other. Intersecting lines. Remember the name for the same? These are angles that are the same. They are congruent angles. Here we have a right angle. This is a ray. Something that goes on forever in both directions is a line. Something that has an ending point on this side and an ending point on the other side is a line segment. Remember, our polygons are made of line segments. This is a point, and these are parallel lines because they run beside each other. Okay, so we don't have anything new in our lesson. Work carefully the things we've already learned about. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in language class.